Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add emojis to your texts and pages in the plain project management application. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your page you would like to edit and customize and start a new line here in the text box to add a new command. Let me skip to this line here. So simply press slash or enter the command slash and then enter E or emoji or something like this. As you can see, and M suffice totally for that, and simply select emoji, and after that you will be given access to these emojis here. So you may go with one of these, like a thumbs up for instance. Of course guys, as you can see, they don't feature too many of these emojis in their libraries, so you can, for example, fix this by simply copy pasting emojis from an external emoji library. For example, copy them, paste them here into this field, and yeah, do it like that. Or you go with these traditional emojis like this or like that. And yeah, if you know these commands, like for example. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.